Campaspe Shire champions, this one is for you. Echuc, Mawama, Kyabran, Rochester, Rushworth, Tongala, Lockington, different towns, different streets, different stories, but every single town, place and business has something in common. The people who show up every day, open the door and make visitors feel something. That feeling, that's the Campaspe experience, and it starts with you. My name is Despina Karatzias, founder of the Institute of Excellence, and together on Wednesday, the 17th of June, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m, we are going to come together as frontline champions of Campaspe Shire and surrounds, the cafe staff, the shop owners, the pub teams, the motel crews, and of course, let's not forget the Visitor Information Centre teams and volunteers for a free workshop on the Campaspe customer experience. We are going to cover a lot in our time together. We're talking how to make every visitor feel like they landed somewhere worth staying, playing, enjoying and experiencing. How to turn a simple conversation into the reason and the highlight that could make someone extend their trip, spend more locally, and even more importantly, return. And of course, how to make Campaspe and surrounds the kind of place that gets talked about long after people leave. It's free, it includes morning tea, and if you're a proud Campaspe champion, proud of where you live and where you work, this session is for you, and I invite all of you to join us. Register via the link below, and I can't wait to visit and see you there.